Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my Honor 9X, and in this video I will be showing you how to change the sound of the pop-up camera. Okay, so I'm just going to launch the camera and give you all a listen to how the camera sounds when I launch it. So let me just get close to it. I'm going to put the camera real close so you can all listen. So listen to this. Did you hear that? Okay, so that's the default sound of the camera. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the settings and I'm going to change the camera sound. Okay, so let me just scroll down to more settings and pop up retract camera. Okay, so I've enabled that. So now it's going to give a totally different sound once I launch it. So let's go ahead and try this. Okay, so as you can see, that sounds a lot better. It really sounds like something out of Star Wars. Sounds proper cool. So yeah guys, this is just my quick video showing you how to change the sound of the pop-up motorized camera on the Honor 9X. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also share the video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.